Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about rounding off numbers. In this lesson, you will be able to round whole numbers to the indicated place. Are you ready? Teacher Beth started to save different amounts of money each day for the past weeks. After some time, she got her piggy bank and said confidently, I have saved around 2,000 pesos. Does Teacher Beth mean she saved exactly 2,000 pesos? What does around mean? When Teacher Beth says she saved around 2,000 pesos, she rounded a number that is almost 2,000 or a little bit more than 2,000. To round a number means to give a number that is close enough to its value. This number is an estimated value expressed as a multiple of 100, 1,000, 10,000, or 100,000. When you round off a number, you need to find first what place value you are rounding it off to. You may round off numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. A number line can help you understand how to round off numbers. Example, rounding off 34 to the nearest 10. This means 30 or 40. Let's use a number line with numbers 30 to 40. The numbers 31, 32, 33, and 34 are nearer to 30. When the numbers end with 1, 2, 3, and 4, we round down. The numbers 31, 32, 33, and 34, when rounded to the nearest 10, is 30. The numbers 36, 37, 38, and 39 are nearer to 40. When the numbers end with 6, 7, 8, and 9, we round up. The numbers 36, 37, 38, and 39, when rounded to the nearest 10, is 40. When the number ends with 5, we round up. How do we round whole numbers? When we round whole numbers to an indicated place, say to the nearest thousand, the thousands digit is the rounding digit. Example, the numbers 5892 or 5,892. In 5,892, digit 5 is the rounding digit since it is in the thousands place. After identifying the rounding digit, look at the digit to its right. If the digit to its right is less than 5, retain the rounding digit. But if the digit to its right is 5 or more, add 1 to the rounding digit. For example, 5,892. The digit to the right of 5 in 5,892 is 8. Add 1 to the digit 5 since it is more than 5, so it becomes 6. Then, change all digits to the right with 0. So, 5,892 becomes 6,000. Here are more examples. Rounding off to the nearest 10. 47. The rounding digit is 4 since this is in the tens place. The digit to its right is 7 and it is more than 5. So add 1 to digit 4. Then it becomes 5 and change the digit to the right with 0. So 47, when you round off to the nearest 10, becomes 50. Another one, 83. The rounding digit is 8 since this is in the tens place. The digit to its right is 3 and it is less than 5. So, retain the digit 8, then change the digit to the right with 0. So, 83 becomes 80. Now, let's round off to the nearest 100. Example, 289. The rounding digit is 2 since this is in the hundreds place. The digit to its right is 8 and it is more than 5. So add 1 to digit 2 and it becomes 3. Then change all the digits to the right with zeros. So when you round off 289 to the nearest 100, it is 300. Next example is 525. The rounding digit is 5 since this is in the hundreds place. The digit to its right is 2 and it is less than 5. So, retain the digit 5, then change all the digits to the right with 0. So, when you round off to the nearest 100, 525 becomes 500. Now is rounding off to the nearest 1,000. 4,989. The rounding digit is 4 and the digit to its right is 9, which is more than 5. So we add 1 to the rounding digit and 4 becomes 5. Then change all the remaining digits with 0. 4,989 round to the nearest 1,000 is 5,000. Another one, 9,375. The rounding digit is 9 and the digit to its right is 3, which is less than 5. So we retain 9 and change all the digits, all the remaining digits with zeros, so it becomes 9,000. Next is rounding off to the nearest 10,000. 27,218. The rounding digit is 2 and the digit to its right is 7, which is more than 5. So we add 1 to the rounding digit 2 and it becomes 3 and change all the remaining digits with 0. So 27,218 when you round up to the nearest 10,000 is 30,000. And for the last example, 42,555. The rounding digit is 4 and the digit to its right is 2, which is less than 5. So we retain 4 and change all the remaining digits with 0. So 42,555 rounding off to the nearest 10,000 is 40,000. And the last one is rounding off to the nearest 100,000. For example, 274,900. The rounding digit is 2 and next to its right is 7, which is more than 5. So we add 1 to the rounding digit 2 and it becomes 3. Then change all the digits to the right with 0. So 274,900 rounding to the nearest 100,000 is 300,000. And for the last example, 545,275. The rounding digit is 5 and next to its digit is 4, which is less than 5. So retain 5 and the answer is 500,000. Don't forget, in rounding of numbers, identify the rounding digit, then look at the digit to its right. If the digit to its right is less than 5, retain the rounding digit. If the digit to its right is 5 or more, add 1 to the rounding digit. Round each number to the indicated place. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. For letter A, round each number to the nearest 10. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 46 is equal to 50. Number 2, 159 is equal to 160. Number 3, 24 is equal to 20. Number 4, 282 is equal to 280. And number 5, 95 is equal to 100. Letter B, round each number to the nearest 100. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 499 is equal to 500. Number 2, 1,324 is equal to 1,300. Number 3, 4,145 is equal to 4,100. Number 4, 893 is equal to 900. And number 5, 7,659 is equal to 7,700. Next is C. Round each number to the nearest 1,000. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 21,299 is equal to 21,000. Number 2, 5,567 is equal to 6,000. Number 3, 58,901 is equal to 59,000. Number 4, 64,758 is equal to 65,000. And number 5, 7,250 is equal to 7,000. For the letter D, round each number to the nearest 10,000. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 31,299 is equal to 30,000. Number 2, 255,567 is equal to 260,000. Number 3, 88,901 is equal to 90,000. Number 4, 124,758 is equal to 120,000. And number 5, 87,250 is equal to 90,000. And for the last one, round each number to the nearest 100,000. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 453,789 is equal to 500,000. Number 2, 878,900 is equal to 900,000. Number 3, 425,678 is equal to 400,000. Number 4, 135,798 is equal to 100,000. And number 5, 489,432 is equal to 500,000. And for the last activity, round off numbers to the indicated places. Let's check your answers. Number 1, 1,289. Nearest hundred is 1,300. Number 2, 8,532. Nearest thousand is 9,000. 46,431 for number 3. Nearest 10,000 is 50,000. Number 4, 75,687. Nearest 10,000 is 80,000. And for the last number, 82,399. Nearest thousand is 82,000.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.